Son, this was my favorite ride when I was 6.
It's my favorite ride.
7, 8, 9, 10. It's your favorite ride? You haven't even ridden it.
Can you guys squeeze in? Well, that answers the question.
We're riding a hat, ladies and gentlemen. Will we regret it? Probably.
It's been checked.
Hi.
Y'all remain seated, hold on tight, hold on to your loose articles, and enjoy.
Here we
Y'all's
go.
ride.
Here we go. Are you ready, son?
I'm scared, Dad. No, I'm scared.
You should be scared. Because it's going to be scary.
Dad,
Here we go.
Oh, this is actually really cool. I like this a lot, actually. I actually really like this. Oh gosh, it's making me... Oh, my stomach.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah! Backwards! This is really fun! That part! This is really fun! I like this! Whoa!
There you go. That was the favorite ride of your father when he was a child. What do you think?
It's actually really fun. I thought it was going to be babyish, but no.
Before I only needed to puke, now I need to throw it up and bark. Okay, that was an experience I'll soon forget. Son? What do you have to say to a 7-year-old father?
Why did you do that to me?
He liked it so much.
No. It was a bad.
He liked it so much. Adios, amigos.